platform and align the heel and sole with the pattern on the platform. Stand still and look straight. Your height is 161.5. Please input age, gender, information correctly. Attention, pregnant women or special groups with medical electronic products in their bodies should not measure. Grasp the handle, cover the electrode on the handle with your palm, and then grip. Your body fat rate, high, body mass index, normal. Keep the heart height and sleeve center in a horizontal position. Put the arm into the roll of the sphygmomanometer, put the forearm on the armrest, and put the elbow on the elbow pad. Press the on-off button to start blood pressure measurement. Note, in case of an emergency, press on off or quick air release again to immediate start measuring. Your high pressure 142 millimeters of mercury, high, low pressure 95 millimeters of mercury, high pulse 111 BPM, high. Scan QR code to send to mobile.